Here I am again with the second video from the chapter AP. So before I start, let me brush up what we did in my previous video. That we just did, we learn about the sequence, we learn about AP, and we learn about the different terms of AP, isn't it? So today I'm gonna do 4 different kind of question, so which are expected in the board examination. So let me start with the first one. Okay, the first question is, which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? That means we have to find which term. So first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18. Similarly, which term will be 78? So let us solve it. Okay, let's see. We have first term as 3, and common difference we have second term minus first term, that is 8 minus 3, that is 5. Okay, and we are given this. Let it be nth term. So we know the term formula which we did in my last video. Okay, so nth term formula, A plus n minus 1 d equals to 78. Okay, so A we have got 3 plus n we are supposed to find, d we have got 5 equals to 78. Okay, so 3 plus 5 into n, 5n, 5 ones minus 5 equals to 78. Okay, 5n, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 equals to 78. Now moving 5n equals to, okay, I'll bring this minus to this side, so 78 plus 2, that is 5n equals to 80. That means n equals to 80 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 16s are 80. So n equals to 60. Therefore, 78 is the 16th term of given AP. So we got here that we are supposed to find 78 is which term of the AP. So we found that 78 is the 16th term of AP. Kids, here I came with the second variety type of question. So this question says, if second term of an AP is 30 and its 8th term is 49, find AP. Okay, in this question we are not given AP directly, we are given the terms of AP too. Second term, that is second term is given 30 and 8th term is given 49. And we are asked to find what will be the AP. Also, find its 15th term. Okay, so we know that we are given second term, that is T2. T2 is given 30. So we know that first term plus common difference will give you second term. Okay, and we are given 8th term is 49. Okay, T8 is given 49. So we know that T8, 8th term, that is A first term plus 8 minus 1 d I'm using here Tn formula. Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 d, which is given 49, and in place of n here we have 8. So a plus 8 minus 1, that is 7d equals to 49. So here we got first equation, here we got second equation. So we are going to solve these two equations by the method of simultaneous equation to get the value of a and d. Okay, here we go. We have got first equation, a plus d equals to 30. Second equation we have a plus 7d equals to 49. Okay, let's subtract it. What will we get? So minus, minus, minus. Okay, so a minus a will cancel. Now d minus 7d, that means minus 6d equals to 30 minus 49, that is minus 36. So minus minus cancelled, d equals to 36 by 6, that is 6 6 the 36. So students, we got the value of d as 6 out here. Okay, so I'm going to put the value of d in equation 1. Okay, let's see. A plus d equals to 30. We got the value of d as 6. So a plus 6 equals to 30. That gives a equals to 13 minus 6, which will be equal to 7. So kids, we got the value of a as 7 and we got the value of d as 6. So now I'm going to write what will be the AP, because it is said that find AP. So the first term will be 7, and I told you in my previous video that AP, we get AP by adding constant number to the preceding one, so that the constant number is what we call common difference. So second term will be 7 plus 6, that is 13. 13 plus 6, that is 19. 19 plus 6, that is 25, and so on. So we got the AP. Now the connected question out here is also find its 15th term. So we got the first term, we got the common difference. Now we are going to use term formula T15. Okay, so T15 means we know that A plus 15 minus 1 D, that is A plus 15 minus 1, that is 14 D. So we got A as 7 plus 14 into 6. So 7 plus 14 6 are 84. So 84 plus 7, that will give you 91. So the 15th term is 91. So see dear kids, here I came with third kind of question. So this question says, which term of the AP 121, 117, 113 is the first negative term? As you can see here, this AP is decreasing. As I explained you in the last video that AP can be of three types. In first type, common difference goes on increasing as the AP increases. In second case, common difference goes on, AP goes on decreasing when the common difference becomes negative, and common difference can be 0 also. That we discussed before. Okay, here we have got a decreasing AP. That means these numbers are decreasing, and after certain terms it becomes the negative. So which term will be the first negative term that we are going to find out? Okay, let's see. So here first term is 1 121. What is the common difference? Here once again I'll make it clear that common difference means second term minus first term. Please do not go for the bigger number and subtract smaller number from the bigger one. Always go from second term minus first term. That is 117 minus 121. That will give you minus 4. Okay. So let's see. We know that negative term. Negative term means it is less than 0. So let's suppose Tn is the first negative term. So I'm putting less than 0. Why less than 0? Because this is negative term which is always less than 0. Okay, so let us go with the formula Tn. Tn formula means a plus n minus 1 into d is less than 0. Let me tell you once again kids that I wrote here less than 0 because we are supposed to find negative term. So negative term is always less than 0. Okay, let's move on. So a 121 plus n not given to us, we are supposed to find, and d we have got minus 4 is less than 0. Okay, so 121 plus into minus, minus 4 into n, 4n, minus into minus, plus 1 4 4 is less than 0. So 121 plus 4 will give you 125 minus 4n is less than 0. Okay, so I'll bring this side. So minus 4n is less than minus 125. Okay, this is in equation which we have done already before, and we know that what we are supposed to do when we have to change this negative sign into positive sign. So I'm going to change this negative sign into positive sign for that. Okay, just watch it carefully. 4n, I'm changing this negative sign into positive sign for that. This sign will get reversed. That means 4n is greater than 125. So n is greater than 125 by 4. Okay, that gives you n is greater than, let's divide 125 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 1 by 4. That means to get negative term, first negative term, the number of terms should be more than 31 1 by 4th term. That suggests that the first negative term should be more than 31 or 31st term. That means 32nd term. That means we got the first negative term as 32nd term. Okay, kids. So this is the last type of question I'm doing for today's video. So this question says, which term of an AP 2, 7, 12 is 45 more than its 16th term? That means you have to find out that term of AP which is 45 more than its 16th term. Okay, so let us solve. So let us write first what are the given conditions. Okay, first term 2, common difference 7 minus 2, that is 5, and we are given the condition that the term which we are supposed to find is 45 more than its 16th term. Okay, so let us solve this. Tn formula, term formula, a plus n minus 1 d will be equal to 16th term, a plus 16 minus 1 D plus 45. Okay. So A we are given 2 and we are supposed to find D we have got 5 equals to is 2 plus 16 minus 1 that is 15 into 5 plus 45. Okay. 2 plus 5 into n, 5n minus 5 ones are 5 equals to 2 plus 15 fives are 75 plus 45. Okay, let us calculate. 5n is there. 2 minus 5 will give you minus 3 equals to, okay, 75 plus 45 plus 2. Let's see. 7 plus 4, 11, 11, 12. Okay, that is 122. Let's see. 5n equals to, let's bring this side, 122 plus 3. Okay. 5n is equal to 122 plus 3, that is 125. That means n equals to 125 divided by 5. Okay, that is 25. So we got n equals to 25. That means 25th term will be 45 more than its 16th term. Okay, dear kids, so this will be the last type of question today, and I'm gonna rest this course for today. So in next video we'll do different kind of questions. Thank you.